So what's up? Yesterday I did the drug bunny challenge, and what's up? Right now it's raining. Oh shit, my camera's gonna get weak. Wait, now my camera's not full, so yeah. It's raining as hard as I could tell you, but I'll just put it in a safe moment, please. Right there. Okay. Yesterday I did the. Oh, stop kissing me. You wanna be on camera? Then be on camera then. Um, I was get that body. I was doing the Chubby Bunny challenge. You guys can't see me. Fuck. Where's the sun? I was doing the Chubby Bunny challenge yesterday, and I'll tell you inside. I'll be inside like in 1 second. I said I was gonna be inside like in 1 second, but I'm still outside. But I'm gonna climb this shit. But it's fucking wet. Okay, I'll see you inside this time. Bunny challenge. Oh fuck, I'm back. Um, um, oh, shit. So I did it, and then I was gonna post a video eating banana with skin on it. I posted, but then it said failed, and then I erased the video because I always do that. So I have no space. I need to buy a memory card. I'll do it tonight. I barely woke up. Fuck, I'm back every time I answer to that. So yeah, that's the and someone commented on my Chubby Bunny challenge video about the jaw challenge. I don't know how to do that. I swear, I don't know how to do that. I never heard of the jaw challenge. I'll search it up later. But yeah, I was supposed to go to the desert today, to a mountain. Well, actually mountains. To what's it called? To go on my ATV and dirt bike. Snowing. Well, my dad went to work. What else? Oh, we're going this Saturday, but I don't think I want to go this Saturday. Because my uncle, he's taking me to a mountain that snows, and yeah, he has off-road vehicles, and I'm scared to go on my dash truck because his wheels are like wasted. I told him to buy some new ones, but he's like, let me get my taxes first. I'm like, look, when you gonna get your taxes, fool? It's gonna take long. Oh, long for me because he told me, shit, it's too dark. Oh, fuck. I fucked up that shit last time. There we go! And I just need to turn this one. Bam! Yeah. Last time I told him that. And, yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna do a quick vlog on my name is short. I just eat. You guys know what chorizo is. That's what I'm gonna eat. Maybe with sausage, but I don't want sausage. So, once I'm doing the food right now, I'll start vlogging. Another day. I need to cut my hair. I'm just gonna cut the sides. I'll start vlogging right now. I just said that and I started and then. I don't know, that's so weird. God, why do they have like condoms on it? That's what I used to think about it. They used to take this shit out. Look, cause look! It looks like condoms on it. Fucking nasty. Who the fuck would put condoms on this shit? Well, it's not actually a condom. Oh, you guys can't see. Look. Wait. See? See, it looks like fucking condoms on the dick. The condoms. It's so fucking hilarious. I like how it smells good. One time I was doing this shit, I let it too much in there, and I fucking let it burn. Oh shit, my hands are getting burned. I don't know how to stop that shit, but get fucking with this thing. I'm doing that shit. You're dying, motherfucker. That's his stomach right there. It's letting it burn. I gotta concentrate on that shit, because sometimes when I'm concentrating, I'll let it burn. food smells good. Not that. I just went. Just went. I don't know if I should do tortilla or sausage. It's called the magic bowl sausage. It's totally small. I see like foreign shit. I see my ass in there. Just playing. Oh. Don't think wrong. I wasn't even doing it wrong. I wasn't even thinking about doing that. Look at that goes. Okay, let's just tear it apart. Dude, look. It left me a mark by doing the ice and salt challenge. Right there. So it's like purple and shit. I don't know why. I was so stupid of that. It was kind of fun. It was like fresh and easy market. You get me? No, fuck you. Just playing. I don't know how to cook sausage. I'm just fucking around. Right now I'm home alone. Destroying food. You been smoking weed like. I can't do the. Oh shit! I can't do the smoking through the nose right now because it's just too like not that much smoke, so I can't do it. Oh yeah, I did it. I can't. I'll do the food vlog like in 1 second right now. You hear something on the door, a noise when you're home alone. Be like, "Come on, you motherfucker!" Shaking. Oh damn. It's fucking cold. And the dog wants some. Oh shit! I just ripped some sausage. Get it? Everybody say sausage, egg, bacon, cheese, sausage, lick my dick and eat my sausage. Really funny, huh? Spray around. Somebody? Well, stop eating my arm. They all fell on the ground, man. Fucking arm. Whoa, now I gotta wash my hands again. See you in like 1 second. Oh shit, oh, I was gonna leave the camera bottle. I'm going to the hospital right now. Yeah, hello, JK. I think I already saw that, friend. I got my food right here. Woo! It's 12:30. Oh shit. Eat food vlog. Chorizo, tortilla. What the fuck is that? Sausage. Tortilla, water, and that's all. I'm gonna eat that shit all. Oh my god, so fucked up. Dude, it's all fucking smoky right now. Gotta open one of those fucking windows. Like this one. Open shit. Okay, there. Turn on some fucking light. Open this goddamn window. And yeah, it's on. I'm gonna cut the vlog and like it's 9:17. I'll cut it at 9:30. Stop vlogging. I didn't finish. It's fucking raining. It's hard. I'm gonna see Roman Atwood's video. I'm gonna upload it right now. Right now, I'm gonna just play around in the rain. We're gonna watch this video. It's gonna come out right now. So yeah. Hope you guys like the vlog and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Late. I wanna have fun in the rain.